Welcome to my final project demonstration. Um, for this project, I decided to do a weather dashboard. Uh, Let me see. Let me go through the proposal. I want to see the proposal. Okay. So actually, this is what I decided to build for my farmer. The city search module, the product weather card, comparison table view, the forecast chart, the historical trend visualization, the weather alert system, the dashboard customization. So actually, these two I was not able to complete because of time. I was not able to complete this, but uh, most of these were being completed. And here's the fundamental of this application. This one are just features that I wanted to add to make it more beautiful. Okay, so this is my wireframe. Wireframe and the comparison table, the forecast view, the product typography, and the labels. This is what I was able to go through. I decided to go for Vue.js right until when CSS to go fast. Okay, so this is the project summary. This for the dashboard, we see comparison represents a comprehensive web application that demonstrates proficiency in Vue.js, API integration, data visualization, and modern web development practice. The 38 hours development time and assured broad implementation of all plan and blah 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 blah. Okay, this is the modular architecture. So I'm gonna run this up and see how it looks like. Okay, so this is now okay. So I hope I'm able to so oh wait, I'll run from render. I'll run from render instead. So as part of all my production application that I did for some classes, I use render to push it to the production. So I think I did it here. Where is it? Where is it? So I'm using render for it. So I'll instead use render. So I believe it's yeah. So I think I'm getting this one. Okay. So we're using local storage, we're using local JSON file, we're using Bright API, we're using HTML and visualization. So if use Luca, uh, okay. So right now, this is current weather on Luca. You can decide to do it in Fahrenheit or also Celsius, and have the forecast of last 5 days. We have the humidity, we have the wind, we have the visibility. So as I said, I'm using a open weather map API for this purpose. So we have the comparison. So if I decide to add another one, let me say New York. New York. New York. Let's say New York here. Have 4. So and I'll add my current city chain. And if I add another one, Paris, Paris. I also add 2 more and add Washington. 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 Open. Set out Washington. Okay, so I have these 5 cities. So we said city research. So I've already demonstrated this one. City current weather card. So we have the cards here and the comparison table. So you can see the comparison. So this is the table here. As you can see, the highest is in blue and the lowest. This is Paris, this is the highest. And you see the code. But this, as you can see, you see each one, you see New York, you see Abidjan, you see Paris. So this is the table for all cities comparison. And we also have the view forecast. This is the part that I like. You see here. So actually, this one I'm using this. Using I'm using Visual Person Weather API to do this. See, New York. In blue is Utah. The orange is, you see, these labels. We have the humidity. We have the wind. These are all the visualization and the graph. And we have the history. Actually, this was my blocker for this week. I really worked a lot on this week. I really worked a lot on this. In the beginning, this one was not displaying because I was using some mock data. Later on, I understood I was using mock data, that's why I was not getting correct uh, data display. We have the heavy temperature, we have the Washington, we have the New York, we have everything here, and we have the precipitation. So as you can see, green is Abidjan. This is my reference city. So we can see that it's the highest. Here is the highest. The coldest month in Abidjan was January. You see January for the coldest. For the coldest. So I think I was able to cover everything around. If you check the local storage, you see that all this information are saved there. Let's see. Check here. Application. Let's see the local storage. Everything is set. Also the local in geolocation. You see, if I decide to delete this, and I use the geolocation, delete this, blah. Okay. It gives me exactly where I am. Okay, so this is actually where I am. So this is what I was able to achieve my final, and I think I was able to meet all these requirements, all the features. As I said, there are some features that I did not do because of time. I was running to complete this, the backbone of this application, so all the rest of the features, maybe I'll do it after this class for my personal learning. I was able to complete this, and that was a challenging, project, because I was able to deal with some API that I was not able to deal before. I had some blockers that helped me to understand how things work, and I'm very happy for having sorted some out. And I'll be happy also to complete my personal challenge, to complete what I still missing. Thank you.